to page 184. Okay. No, we're taking notes. This is our last section. We have a test on Friday. Okay? Our book calls this theorem the side splitter theorem. What I want you to do is I want you to draw a triangle. And I changed my mind. Okay, I want you to draw a triangle where we have a parallel line thrown in there.
What is that bottom? I can't see.
Huh?
What's the bottom variable? What is that right there?
What is what?
You're pointing at the entire board.
Q R S T U.
Yeah, that's it. I thought that was a 4. I thought it was a 5.
Okay. Can you tell me what is true about our two triangles? We have this triangle and we have this triangle. Hayden. Yes. So Micah, what does that mean?
I was gonna say something else.
I know. What are you gonna say?
I was going to say that they share angle R.
They share angle R. Okay, David?
Are they similar?
Yes, Derek, they are similar. Okay, because they share angle R, because they have corresponding angles, we have two similar triangles. And it is so cool, in fact, that if we have this happen, if TU is parallel to QS, then what happens is we have a proportional relationship where we can say that RT over TQ is the same as RU over US. Write that down and then we'll look at the picture. So RT divided by TQ is the same as RU divided by US. Do you see how we break it into those chunks? Isn't that nice? So that parallel line is splitting our triangle sides into proportions. It's like this is the fraction bar. This number divided by this number equals this number divided by this number.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
Right?
That's so cool.
I know, right? Okay. Okay, so over here in this picture, what's this length right here?
16.
And what's this length?
12.
Okay, so we can set this proportion, and I want you to do this work to the right of this picture. We can write 12 over x plus 2 is the same as 16. I wrote 16. 16 over x plus 2, thanks Avery, equals 12 over x. So, boom, 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 boom. Basically, this is our fraction bar. 16 over x plus 2 equals 12 over x. You see it?
Yep.
Okay.
See?
16 times x equals
16 times X.
12x plus 24.
12x. Thank you for distributing. 12x plus 24. Alex says x is 6.
Stand by it.
You're gonna stand by that?
Do you stand by Alex?
No.
Yeah, that's not kind
I never trust him.
X equals 6.
No.
I agree.
He is a shady fella. Just teasing.
I don't think you know what you did, Alex.
Yeah. Hey, now, question.
Get it?
Question for you. Is 12 over 4 equal to 9 over 3? What's 12 divided by 4? What's 9 divided by 3? Okay, so since those are proportional, we could even do that right there.
No way.
I know.
Really?
Oh my god.
This changes the
Changes everything.
Okay,
How this
now
many ways.
I want to find the value of y.
Wait, why can you say that? That's parallel.
Oh wait, so
Oh, because it's like saying.
'Cause it's like backwards.
Yeah.
Okay, now the value of y. Since y is like the bottom of one of those triangles that are similar, we're not going to be able to just like grab the sides, right? We actually have to think about the triangle. So which side of the triangle does y correspond with?
The 12, the
I would pick the 30. So y, yeah, we can't pick z, we don't know it, corresponds with 30. Okay? Do you want to pick 12 or do you want to pick 9?
9.
no 12.
We want 9.
Fine, 9.
I want 9 also.
Yeah, Nolan.
9. Like, because like 9 in German's no.
Okay, and if I choose 9, what's the full side of the triangle?
270 divided by.
What?
Yeah, 270 because that's 9 times 30.
It's 12.
Why are you multiplying?
Yeah, we were all wrong, huh?
Oh no, you're saying
You're supposed to.
Right.
Could you say 1 over 2?
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, right on the right
2
side.
12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh,
Yeah, 9 times 30 is 270.
18y.
What's 270 divided by 18? 18y. Y is equal to
Just not geometric.
5?
25.
15. That's what I was saying.
15?
Let's go, I got it.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So you said 16, so.
I mean, that does make sense. If I have 9 over 18, that just doubled, right?
So you choose the too small and the too big?
Well, so what I did is since I was missing this piece instead of one of the side splitter pieces, I was missing a bottom piece. So I had to think about little triangle and big triangle. So I had to think about, well, this is y and this is 9, this is 18 and this is 30.
Oh, give him the
So they're like,
So, like-
like the holes in the like let's
Wait, can't you just technically go 30 or.
I see what you're thinking. I'm not thinking about the math of it.
Yes. Hey, if you want to give something to somebody, walking and handing would be a much better option.
Yeah, next time I
Okay, it is your job to find S and then R. Why am I saying find S first?
You know how easy that is?
Then do it.
Oh, wait.
You need S to find R, so do it.
Oh,
So what you want
this
over
this.
3?
6 over 3.
I mean 6 over
This
7.5.
divided by this equals this.
Oh, wait, are you
Actually,
talking
I
about
have
this
no
one?
clue.
Oh, I was talking.
No, you do 2.5 over 3.
I thought you were talking about this.
Oh.
S over 7.5 and 2.5.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. They don't listen.
Wait,
I think I
are
think
those
he's
equal to each other?
Wait, see?
But the picture doesn't look like it.
Bro, it's 2.5 with 3. And S
They're
over 7.5.
proportional.
7.5.
Wait, you don't add it.
Wait, 2.5 over 3.
3S over 7.5. I need it.
Well, you know, you might need un calculadora.
Oh, okay. I see you.
Alex,
Alex, you could have grabbed all.
Derek.
What's 12.5
Do we?
15?
Oh, how do we know the whole thing if we don't have that?
We don't need it. We can say s over 7.5
No, it's
equals
not.
2.5 over
Then what
3.
happened here? Like where we did the whole triangle.
We were still doing, well, oh, over here we had to do the whole triangle. For y? Because y was like a bottom.
You got it wrong.
No.
That's it.
that is kind of fun. I've never thought about it.
Wait, when did you divide it?
Is 3S equals 18.75?
6.25. 6.25.
Oh, yeah.
That was me. They were listening to you.
Good job, Ollie.
Wow!
You said 1, 6 times.
Good one, good one.
Wait,
It's 6.25.
6.25.
Got it.
Okay.
I am very aggressively being told that s is 6.25.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you find that out?
Yes.
You get better.
Equals
Okay.
6
So
over
this is what we're gonna do.
6 or 6. Yeah, so now do
2.5 over 3 equals s over
2.5.
7.5.
That's
15.
15.
Look up at my work and see if my proportion matches yours.
And then,
6.25. 6 times 2.5.
Why would I make that work? I would just see it.
oh, because you wouldn't know because you have to.
Josh did find r first because he's.
So now,
It was 2.4.
Ours was the exact equation she gave you.
Ours was 2.4.
2.4? Yeah, 2.4. I don't know.
R equals 2.4.
he's spoiling.
Okay, now wait, we're done,
I'll
right?
give you the baby veins.
A vision.
Would it be
Oh, my
Who is missing this chair?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Where is this chair?
Oh, my arm's done.
What's your?
This chair, like right here by Cole.
Huh?
I'll do it again.
I think it's from over there.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't do anything.
No, because Logan has that chair.
Yeah.
No, but there's another one missing.
There should be one.
No, there's 4.
Logan's sitting in it.
Yeah.
I just moved the chair.
Okay, so everyone look up here. This is the proportion I set up for S. I grabbed 2.5 over 3 equals S over 7.5. Oh, it is next to Austin. Thank you. Okay,
What I do.
I found where the missing chair goes. So S equals 6.25. Now, you could set up the ratio R over 2.5 equals 6 over S. Or this is what Josh did. R over 3 equals 6 over 7.5.
No, I see how that can work.
Connor, what'd you say?
No, he did this. It's still proportional. So no matter what, you're getting out of control. You get 2.4. All right, let's learn one more theorem. Okay? Oh,
Stop to get out.
28, we have time.
Getting close to actually have to leave in like
I hate math.
Yeah, I did that for the kids.
Why?
Notice how you do it.
I'm not gonna get it.
Geometry.
I can't wait back to go to algebra.
Oh shoot.
Algebra is no, but actually it is.
I should have just acted like I was stupid so I could do
My son's taking his map test today to see what math class he gets in. He's smart enough.
You should give me advice.
He'll be on the edge of either getting into this or one below. Okay, could you draw this picture, please? My son. I'm a 6th grader.
Wait, what do you get for that?
Well, he's taking it today. Yeah. Okay, can I tell you though that someday you will appreciate geometry, even if it's not in the moment, even if it's not next year. Someday you will appreciate it. Okay? Did you draw this cool picture?
I drew the cool picture.
Okay.
Geo? I'll always love geometry.
Okay.
Geo is
Yes, that's why I named it that way.
Oh.
I get it.
Sometimes
Don't worry, guys.
if we have an angle bisector, then our triangle gets split into proportional parts.
Yes.
GE over EO is the same ratio as GM over MO.
Is G
Let me show you. Can everybody look up here? GE over EO is the same as GM divided by MO.
It's the same thing because we're proportional triangles.
Because we have similar triangles, and we can go ahead and do this little discovery activity, or you can just believe me that because we have the similar triangles, we have a proportional relationship. So when we have an angle bisector inside of our triangle, it splits into two proportional pieces. So I can take 3x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 7, and it's the same as over here, 18 over 12. I don't care what it is, because we have a proportion. What do we need to do? And how do we solve? Don't call it butterfly.
Butterfly.
Don't call it butterfly.
Cross multiply.
Butterfly. It's the same thing as you're learning right now.
What's 18 times 3x?
56.
I'm going to be 36.
56 or 54?
54. I said 4.
So 54x minus what's 7 times 18? What?
102.
I literally can't hear you.
Yeah, I think 126. I grew.
Okay? And then when we multiply by 12, we get 36x plus 36. Cool beans. 18x equals 162. So x equals 9.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Yeah, I do love geometry.
Geometry's like my favorite class.
Me too.
Isn't geometry your only class? Geometry is the reason I wake up in the morning.
No,
You
she
know how
teaches
sarcastic Austin
algebra
is?
and
I teach 3 classes.
Oh, so we're your favorites? Are we your favorite class?
Not anymore.
Geometry is the someone's favorite class. And where's geometry?
I don't know. No, we're Chloe's favorite.
Yeah, we're just always favorite class.
Change this box around.
Okay, turn to page 186.